Okay, so finally got the truck in the shop on the hoist. This is the best way to take the tires off this thing. So we're gonna get these tires off, probably take them down tomorrow, have them swap over the KM3s, and then these tires will be for sale. Hopefully we'll get some money out of them. Maybe get my rockers and cab corners bought for this thing. And yeah, we'll start working that way, I guess. Well, there they are, all mounted up. Now I get to lift these things up, and they are heavy. Get the other ones for sale, get some money back out of them. Okay guys, so first impressions on the road. It's a much smoother tire than that Federal mud terrain. So I'm pretty happy with that. They look good too. I was worried I was going to lose my kind of aggressiveness looking tire, but I like it. I think it's going to work out a lot better. I'll do some testing in the sand and stuff. I don't do a whole lot of deep mud with this thing, guys, or rock crawling, but so stay tuned for a tire review after I'm able to actually use these things. I don't want to do a review when I just stuck them on and I really haven't used them. But BFGs are pretty good tires. They are the best, I think, tire you can get. But anyway guys, that's going to do it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.